I had my classroom observation post-conference. Ito yung pangatlong unannounced observation sa akin. Grabe, ang saya ko guys. Ang ganda ng feedback na narinig ko sa vice principal namin. Super, my gosh! Ang ganda ng mga ratings. Oh my gosh, kung pwede ko lang i-record. As in, sa indicator 1, yung objective-driven lesson, I got level 4, which is above expectations. Yung indicator 2, which is explain content, I got 5, which is significantly above expectations. Tapos yung indicator 3, appropriately challenging work, I got level 4 above expectations. Indicator 4, content engagements, I got 4 above expectations. Yung indicator 5, higher level thinking skills, I got 4, which is above expectations. Tapos yung indicator 6, check for understanding, I got 5. 5 is significantly above expectations. And indicator 7, instructional time, I got 5, which is again significantly above expectations. Oh my gosh, naiiyak ako. Naiiyak ako kasi, oh my gosh, like, alam mo yon yung feeling na nagbunga lahat yung mga preparations ko kasi hindi mo naman alam kung kailan sila darating dito at mag-observe kasi unannounced observations to. Oh my gosh, tapos ang taas ng nakuha kong score. Grabe, naiiyak talaga ako. Thank you, Lord. Oh my gosh. Thank you.